You close your eyes. Finally. After a long, exhausting day, your body sinks into the mattress, your mind starts to quiet down, and sleep takes over. But then, it happens again. Your eyes shoot open, the room is dark, the house is silent, and you already know before you even reach for your phone. It's 3 a.m. Not 2, not 4, 3 in the morning. Again. And now you're lying there, staring at the ceiling, your heart beating just a little too fast, your mind already racing with thoughts you don't want to have at this hour. You toss to the left, then to the right. You flip the pillow to the cold side. You check your phone, even though you told yourself you wouldn't. And sleep? It's gone. Just gone. Does this sound familiar? Because if it does, I need you to know something important right now. You are not alone. And this is not just stress. Millions of people across America wake up at this exact same hour, night after night, and they have absolutely no idea why. They blame it on age, on anxiety, on too much coffee. They try melatonin, white noise machines, blackout curtains, and nothing works. Not really, not long term. And here's what nobody is telling you. Waking up at 3 a.m. consistently is your body sending you a loud, urgent signal. Something is happening beneath the surface that needs your attention. And if you keep ignoring it, the consequences go way beyond feeling tired the next day. We're talking about brain fog that makes you feel 10 years older. We're talking about mood crashes, irritability, and emotional exhaustion that's slowly destroying your relationships. We're talking about a metabolism that stalls, an immune system that weakens, and a cardiovascular system under pressure it was never designed to handle long-term. This is serious, and you deserve real answers. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you keep waking up at 3 a.m., and it's probably not what you think. Then I'm going to walk you through 3 shockingly simple fixes that are already changing lives across the country. Fixes backed by science, rooted in nature, and easy enough to start tonight. And I'm saving the most important one, the one that ties everything together, for the end of this video. So if you've been struggling with broken sleep for weeks, months, or even years, you cannot afford to miss what's coming. Stay with me. By the time this video is over, you're going to understand your body in a way you never have before, and you're going to have a real plan to finally sleep through the night. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what's actually going on when you wake up at 3 a.m. Your body runs on an internal clock, a biological rhythm that controls everything from your energy levels to your digestion to your hormones. And right there, in the center of it all, is a hormone called cortisol. Now, most people think of cortisol as the stress hormone, and yes, it plays a huge role in how you respond to stress. But here's what most people don't know. Cortisol is also your body's natural wake-up signal. In a healthy sleep cycle, cortisol levels are at their lowest in the first half of the night, allowing your body to rest and repair. But then, in the early morning hours, usually around 3 to 4 a.m., cortisol starts to rise naturally, preparing your body to wake up. The problem? In millions of Americans today, this cortisol spike is happening too early, too intensely. Chronic stress, poor diet, blood sugar crashes, and even exposure to artificial light before bed are throwing this system completely out of balance. And the result is that your brain gets the wake-up signal hours before it should. Your body isn't broken, it's just running on a dysregulated system. And once you understand that, fixing it becomes much more straightforward. This one surprises a lot of people, but one of the most common triggers for that 3 a.m. awakening is a blood sugar crash in the middle of the night. When your blood sugar drops too low while you sleep, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline to bring it back up, and that hormonal surge is enough to jolt you wide awake. It's a survival mechanism, and it works perfectly, except it wakes you up at 3 a.m. The fix is simple. Have a small, balanced snack about an hour before bed. Not a full meal, just something small that combines a slow-digesting carbohydrate with a healthy fat or protein. Think a small handful of almonds with a few crackers or a spoonful of almond butter. This keeps your blood sugar stable through the night and removes one of the most common triggers for early waking. Your nervous system needs a signal that the day is over. Without that signal, your stress hormones stay elevated well into the night, and that sets the stage for disrupted sleep every single time. Starting 60 to 90 minutes before bed, begin dimming the lights in your home. Put your phone face down or in another room. Try 5 minutes of slow, deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode, and begins naturally lowering cortisol so your body can actually sleep deeply and stay asleep. These 2 fixes alone can make a dramatic difference. But the third one? That's where everything changes. Here's something that doesn't get talked about nearly enough. Most people who struggle with sleep are missing critical nutrients that their body needs to produce the hormones and neurotransmitters responsible for deep, restful sleep. Let's talk about a few of the biggest ones. Magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body, including the regulation of melatonin and GABA, the neurotransmitter that tells your brain to calm down and sleep. Studies show that up to 80% of Americans are deficient in magnesium, and low magnesium levels are directly linked to insomnia, nighttime awakenings, and restless, unrefreshing sleep. L-Theanine. Found naturally in green tea, this amino acid promotes calm, focused relaxation without sedation. It works by increasing alpha brainwaves, the same brain state associated with meditation and deep relaxation, making it dramatically easier to fall asleep and stay asleep through the night. Ashwagandha. This ancient adaptogenic herb has been used for thousands of years to help the body manage stress. Modern research now confirms what traditional medicine always knew. Ashwagandha significantly reduces cortisol levels, lowers anxiety, and improves both sleep quality and sleep duration, especially in people dealing with chronic stress. Valerian root. One of the most well-studied natural sleep aids in the world. Valerian works by increasing GABA activity in the brain, producing a calming, sedative effect that helps people fall asleep faster and wake up less frequently throughout the night. Now here's the thing. You could try to find each one of these individually. You could research the right dosages, buy 4 or 5 different bottles, and try to figure out the best time to take each one. And some people do exactly that. But what if you didn't have to? What if all of these powerful, natural, scientifically backed ingredients were already combined in the right ratios, at the right dosages, into a single, easy-to-take formula specifically designed to target the root causes of nighttime awakening and deliver the deep, uninterrupted sleep your body is desperately craving? That's exactly what we've been looking at. A premium, all-natural sleep support supplement that brings together the most effective sleep-promoting nutrients and adaptogens into one powerful, clean formula. No harsh chemicals, no habit-forming ingredients, no groggy morning after. Just deep, natural, restorative sleep. The kind where you wake up in the morning and actually feel like a human being again. Imagine waking up tomorrow, not at 3 a.m., but when your alarm goes off, feeling rested, feeling clear, feeling like yourself again. That is what's possible. And the link to learn everything about this formula is waiting for you right now. Listen, if you've made it this far in this video, it tells me something important about you. It tells me you're not willing to just accept broken sleep as part of getting older, or just the way things are. It tells me you're ready for something real, something that actually works. And I respect that deeply, because your sleep is not a luxury. Your sleep is the foundation of everything. When you sleep well, your brain consolidates memory and sharpens focus. Your body repairs muscle, balances hormones, and strengthens your immune system. Your mood stabilizes. Your metabolism functions properly. Your heart health improves. Your relationships get better, because you're no longer running on empty, snapping at the people you love, dragging yourself through every single day. Sleep isn't just rest. Sleep is medicine, and you deserve access to it every single night. Now, I want to be honest with you. The 3 fixes I shared today, stabilizing your blood sugar, creating a cortisol wind-down ritual, and addressing your nutritional deficiencies, these are real strategies that can genuinely help you. Start implementing them tonight. Don't wait. But if you want to go even further, if you want to give your body the full nutritional support it needs to regulate cortisol naturally, produce melatonin effectively, calm your nervous system deeply, and sleep through the night without waking up at 3 a.m., then I want you to check out the natural sleep support formula I mentioned. It combines everything we talked about: magnesium, L-Theanine, ashwagandha, valerian root, and more, into one clean, premium, non-habit-forming supplement that thousands of people are already using to finally reclaim their nights. Click the link in the description below, or check the pinned comment at the top of the comment section to learn everything about this formula, see the full list of ingredients, read real stories from real people whose sleep has been completely transformed, and find out exactly how it can help you stop waking up at 3 a.m. for good. You've been tired for long enough. You've lost enough mornings to brain fog and enough evenings to dread. Tonight can be different. This week can be different. All it takes is one decision, and that decision starts with a single click. And before you go, if this video gave you value today, if something I said finally made something click for you, please hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are lying awake at 3 a.m. desperately searching for answers just like you were. And if you want to keep getting real, practical, science-backed health tips that can actually change your life, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And one more thing, don't stop here. There's another video appearing on your screen right now that I think you're really going to want to watch next. Click it. I promise, it's worth your time. Sleep well tonight. You've earned it.